How to change email on Shein. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about changing email on Shein. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that you have installed the latest version of Shein application on your mobile device. Simply launch it and also make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now once you're in the homepage of this Shein, tap on the Me icon from the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the Settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on Manage My Account that you will find below My Payment Options. And there you will see the option of email in the top. Tap on it. If you have not verified your email yet, tap on Verify and 80 points will be in your pocket. Now if you want to change your email, tap on Change. First, a verification code will be sent to your specific email that is associated with your Shein account at the moment. Simply enter the verification code and now enter a new email address that you'd like to set in your Shein account. Now tap on Send Verification Code. Enter the new verification code that has been sent to this email. Check the box of agreeing to the terms and conditions and then tap on Submit, which is highlighted in black color in the bottom, and you'll be done. So this way you can easily change your email on Shein application. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.